Chapter 9, Mobile Apps. Concept note: App is a common term for an application, especially for simple applications that can be downloaded inexpensively or even for free. Many apps are also available for mobile devices and even some TVs. Children will be able to differentiate between Android and iOS, understand about different types of apps, understand some popular app categories and their uses, learn how to install or download the app. Neha: Hey Tia, do you know what apps are? Tia: Yeah, apps are those little icons on our phones that we tap to do things, right? Neha: That's right. They stand for applications and they are like small software programs that help us to do specific tasks on our devices. Tia: So like the weather app tells us the weather and the game apps let us play games? Neha: Exactly. Apps can do all sorts of things. Some are for entertainment like games and streaming movies, while others help us with productivity like to-do lists or calendars. Tia: Great. How do we get these apps? Neha: We can download them from app stores. Tia: And they're easy to use, right? Neha: Yup, just a tap away and you can have a world of functionality at your fingertips. An application, also referred to as an application program or application software, is a computer software package that performs a specific function directly for an end user or, in some cases, for another application. Application development is the process of creating a computer program or a set of programs to perform the different tasks that a business requires. What is an app or application? You may have heard people talking about using a program, an application, or an app, but what exactly does that mean? Simply put, an app is a type of software that allows you to perform specific tasks. Applications for desktop or laptop computers are sometimes called desktop applications, while those for mobile devices are called mobile apps. When you open an application, it runs inside the operating system until you close it. Most of the time, you will have more than one application open at the same time, which is known as multitasking. Defining Android and iOS. Android app. Android app is a software designed to run on an Android device or emulator. The term also refers to an APK file, which stands for Android package. This file is a zip archive containing app code, resources, and meta information. Android apps can be written in Kotlin, Java, and C++ and are run inside virtual machine. Distribution and installation. Apps are normally distributed through app markets such as Google Play Store, so it is possible to enable installation from APK file or via USB connection in device settings. To install or distribute APK in stores, it should have a unique package name, example, com.example.app, stored in the meta information. After installation, this name is registered with Package Manager. For apps published on Google Play, package name can be seen in the URL https://play.google.com/store/apps/details ?ID is equal to com.android.chrome. To install an app from a PC, a command-like tool ADB Android Device Bridge is used. The tool is a part of the Android SDK and is invoked by Android Studio while running the app. iOS. iOS, formerly iPhone OS, is a mobile operating system created and developed by Apple Inc. exclusively for its hardware. It is the operating system that powers many of the company's mobile devices, including the iPhone and iPod Touch. The term also included the versions running on iPads until the name iPad OS was introduced with version 13 in 2019. It is the world's second most widely installed mobile operating system after Android. It is the basis for 3 other operating systems made by Apple: iPad OS, TV OS, and Watch OS. The iOS user interface is based upon direct manipulation using multi-touch gestures such as swipe, tap, pinch, and reverse pinch. Interface control elements include sliders, switches, and buttons. iOS devices boot to the home screen, the primary navigation and information hub on iOS devices, analogs to the desktop found on personal computers. iOS home screens are typically made up of app icons and widgets. App icons launch the associated app, whereas widgets display live, auto-updating content such as weather forecast, the user's email inbox, or a news ticker directly on the home screen. Difference between iOS and Android. iOS, Android. It was developed and owned by Apple. It was developed by Google and owned by Google. It is specifically designed for Apple, iPhone, and iPads. It is designed for smartphones of all companies. Its kernel type is hybrid. Its kernel type is Linux-based. iOS-based devices have Safari as the web browser. Android devices have Google Chrome as the web browser. Types of mobile apps. There are a few different categories of apps available for download by businesses and individuals alike. The following are the most commonly recognized apps in use today. Web-based app. A web-based app is an application that requires internet access for complete use. Web-based app runs within the browser of the device rather than running on the device CPU. These types of apps are coded in JavaScript, HTML5, or CSS. A web-based app typically requires a much smaller amount of memory space in a user's device because the databases are stored in the internet server. Examples of web-based apps include Netflix, Google Docs, and Dropbox. Native app. Apps that are created for a certain mobile platform are known as native applications. For example, an app that is made for an Apple iPhone will only be usable on Apple devices and would not work on other types of mobile phones, such as Android. These types of apps are primarily used to provide the highest performance on a particular mobile operating system. An example of a native app is the calculator application on the iPhone. Hybrid app. The hybrid apps are partly native apps and partly web apps. These apps are easier and quicker to create and only use a single code base that can be integrated across various platforms. However, it is important to note that hybrid apps often have a lower performance rate than native or web-based apps. Difference between native app and hybrid app. Point: native app, hybrid app. Platform: it is developed specifically for one platform. It is developed for more than one platform. Cost: development is expensive. Development is cheap. Maintenance: maintenance is complex as there are different versions for different platforms. Maintenance is simple as there are only a few versions. User experience: they provide the best user experience. Graphics are less accustomed with the OS, so the user experience is not so good. Examples of mobile apps. Desktop and laptop computers aren't the only devices that can run applications. You can also download apps for mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. Here are a few examples of mobile apps. Gmail. You can use the Gmail app to easily view and send emails from your mobile device. It is available for Android and iOS devices. Instagram. You can use Instagram to quickly share photos with your friends and family. It is available for Android and iOS. Duolingo. With a combination of quizzes, games, and other activities, this app can help you learn new languages. It is available for Android and iOS. Categories of app. Apps can be broadly classified into three categories. They are desktop apps, web apps, mobile apps. Desktop apps. These apps are used on a desktop or laptop. They do not need web access or internet. They can run independently on a computer. Desktop apps need to be installed on the device before they can run. For example, word processor, spreadsheet, media players, etc. Web apps. These apps require an internet connection. They are usually browser-based. These apps can be used whenever required from any device through internet. Web apps are advantageous than desktop apps since they run inside web browser. Developers do not need to develop web apps for multiple platforms. For example, online payment apps, online shopping apps, etc. Mobile apps. These apps are used on a mobile. They do not need web access or internet. They can run independently on the mobile. Mobile apps need to be installed or downloaded on the device before they can run. For example, WhatsApp, Facebook, Ola, etc. Downloading and installing an app. Download and install apps to your Android device. You can download free and paid apps from Google Play on your Android phone. We recommend that you get apps from Google Play, but you can also get them from other sources. Your phone has a security setting, Google Play Protect, that checks for potentially harmful apps, warns you and removes apps if necessary. Download apps from Google Play. Open Google Play. On your phone, use the Play Store app. On your computer, go to play.google.com. Find an app you want. To check that the app is reliable, find out what other people say about it. Under the app's title, check the star ratings and the number of downloads. To read individual reviews, scroll to Reviews section. When you pick an app, tap Install for free apps or the app's price with the permission of your parents. Download apps from Apple Store. On your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch, open the App Store app. Browse or search for the app that you want to download. If you find a game that says Arcade, subscribe to Apple Arcade to play the game. Tap or click the price with the permission of your parents or Get button. If you see the Open button instead of a price or Get button, you have already bought or downloaded that app. In the App Store, if an app has a Get button instead of a price, the app is free. You won't be charged for downloading a free app. Some free apps offer in-app purchases and subscriptions that you can buy. Subscriptions and in-app purchases give you access to more features, content, and more. Apple iPhone Install App. From the home screen, tap App Store. If an app isn't available on your home screen, swipe left to access the app library. To install apps, you must sign in with your Apple ID or create one. To browse the App Store, tap Apps at the bottom. Scroll, then tap the desired category, example, New Apps We Love, Top Categories, etc. For apps by name, tap Search at the bottom, then enter the name of the app. Tap the app. Tap Get, then tap Install. If there is a charge for the app, tap the price, example $1.99 with the permission of your parents, and then tap Buy. If you have a compatible iPhone and Face ID enabled, double tap the side button and then look at the screen to authenticate. If prompted, sign in to the App Store to complete the install. Flashback. An app is a type of software that allows you to perform specific tasks. Android app is a software designed to run on an Android device, or iOS is a mobile OS created and developed by Apple Inc. Types of mobile application are web-based app, native app, and hybrid app. Examples of mobile apps are Gmail, Instagram, Duolingo, etc. Apps can be classified into 3 categories: desktop apps, mobile apps, web apps.